Imagine waking up, grabbing a coffee, and stepping onto your dock. The sun is rising over a glassy canal, waiting for your boat. In 2025, is this dream still affordable in Cape Coral, Florida? We're diving deep into the city's 12 best places to live, ranking the top waterfront and canal neighborhoods from value-centric havens to absolute luxury. Stay tuned, because the #1 spot might surprise you. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are setting our sights on the Waterfront Wonderland, Cape Coral, Florida. With over 400 miles of canals, more than any other city in the world, Cape Coral offers a truly unique slice of the Florida dream. But not all canals are created equal. In a market as dynamic as 2025, where new developments are soaring and the Chiquita Lock removal is dramatically improving Gulf access, knowing precisely where to put down roots is crucial. We've ranked the 12 most desirable, highly optimized neighborhoods for living, boating, and long-term value. Let's begin our countdown, starting with the neighborhoods that offer incredible promise and affordability, the value and growth zones. Number 12, Gator Circle. Located in the burgeoning Northeast Cape, Gator Circle is all about potential. If you're a forward-thinking buyer, this area offers newer construction homes on spacious lots at a fraction of the cost of the more established South. It's a peaceful atmosphere with ample room to grow, making it a powerful magnet for new families and investors. Number 11, North Cape Coral, General Northwest area. This large region is currently the city's growth epicenter, driven by major infrastructure expansion and the anticipation of new projects like the $9 million Crystal Lake Park, set to open with a beach, kayak launches, and a hilltop overlook. The entire area is seeing a surge in desirability. Home values here have shown strong appreciation, making it a strategic move for those seeking modern systems and future upside. Number 10, Sandoval. A little different from our canal focus, Sandoval earns its spot as one of the best overall communities. It's a highly rated, family-friendly, gated master-planned community known for its resort-style amenities, stunning landscaping, and extensive recreational facilities. If your priority is safety, schools, and convenience over direct Gulf access, Sandoval is a top-tier contender. Number 9, Freshwater Canal Belts. Cape Coral is divided into freshwater and saltwater canals. The expansive freshwater belts offer beautiful, secluded waterfront properties that connect to inland lakes, perfect for kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and fishing. But without the Gulf access. The immense upside, these homes often come at a lower price point, and, critically, they are less vulnerable to the flood zone concerns and insurance hikes that can plague Gulf access properties. Established boating and mid-range excellence. Number 8, Pelican. This is a highly popular and well-established neighborhood in a central location, offering easy access to shopping, dining, and the Cape Coral Bridge to Fort Myers. Pelican features a welcoming mix of waterfront and off-water properties, with many homes offering direct canal access. It strikes a perfect balance between a convenient suburban lifestyle and a practical boating environment. Number 7, Savona. Tucked into southeast Cape Coral, Savona is a well-established community with a charming blend of luxurious contemporary homes and mid-century properties. Its real estate value is cemented by its proximity to the bridge, ensuring a quick commute, and its deepwater canal access provides a relaxed, friendly atmosphere for serious boaters. Number 6, Rose Garden. Situated near Tarpon Point, Rose Garden is a scenic and peaceful neighborhood defined by upscale homes and proximity to the Rotary Park Environmental Center. This area appeals to nature lovers and boaters alike, offering stunning landscapes, Gulf access options, and a quiet, tranquil retreat from the city's bustle. Number 5, the Yacht Club area. One of the oldest and most beloved neighborhoods, the Yacht Club offers a charming classic Florida feel. It's the home of the Cape Coral Yacht Club Community Park and provides quick access to the Caloosahatchee River. What makes it high value for boaters is its position. It features pockets of sailboat access, canals, meaning no bridges stand between you and the open Gulf of Mexico. This is a massive premium for serious sailing enthusiasts. The elite waterfront communities. Now we move into the truly elite zones, the neighborhoods that define luxury, fast Gulf access, and world-class amenities in Cape Coral. Number 4, 8 Lakes. As its name suggests, this neighborhood is famous for its large, interconnected saltwater lakes, designed in a 4-leaf clover configuration to maximize waterfront ownership. 8 Lakes is known for oversized waterfront lots, direct Gulf access, and a serene, upscale environment. If wide water views are your non-negotiable, 8 Lakes is an ideal choice, often attracting buyers seeking an established, prestigious address. Number 3, Tarpon Point. Tarpon Point is synonymous with a luxurious, resort-style waterfront lifestyle. This highly sought-after gated community features high-end condos, townhomes, and single-family estates, many with direct Gulf access. It's more than just homes. It's a destination with a lively marina, high-end boutiques, and exceptional dining experiences, a true dock and dine lifestyle. Number 2, Cape Harbour. Another premier, gated community, and a genuine boater's dream. Located in the Southwest Cape, Cape Harbour features luxurious condos, estate homes, and custom-built properties. Its desirability is built around its massive marina, high-end waterfront dining, and entertainment venues that create a lively, vibrant, and exclusive atmosphere. It offers deep-water slips and quick access to the Gulf, and the number 1 spot for 2025. Number 1, Southwest Cape Coral, the Chiquita Lock Corridor. The most exciting and valuable place to live in Cape Coral right now is in the heart of the Southwest, directly benefiting from a massive multi-million-dollar city improvement. The Chiquita Lock removal, officially slated for completion this year in 2025, is a game changer. For years, this lock created a bottleneck, slowing down boat traffic to the Gulf. Its removal will dramatically improve water flow, ease congestion, and, most importantly, slash the travel time to the Gulf of Mexico for countless waterfront properties in the surrounding area. This change is already driving up property values and attracting huge developmental interest. The area around the former lock, including the highly desired stretches along the Caloosahatchee River and nearby deepwater canals, now offers the ultimate trifecta: fast Gulf access, proximity to the downtown South Cape revitalization, and an immediate, measurable increase in the value of your waterfront investment. Whether it's a $1 million riverfront trophy home or a well-placed canal property, the Southwest Cape is undeniably the best-ranked place to live for maximum boating convenience and future appreciation in 2025. From the affordable, forward-looking North Cape to the unparalleled luxury of Tarpon Point, to the undisputed boating champion of the Southwest, Cape Coral truly offers a waterfront home for every aspiration. The real estate market here has softened slightly, meaning inventory is up and there's greater negotiation power for savvy buyers, making this the perfect time to turn that waterfront dream into a reality.